Is Iran preparing for its biggest strike ever? A 2,000 missile assault on Israel? Because, according to explosive new reports, something massive is brewing beneath the sands of the Middle East. Hello and welcome to TimesXP. I am Trithiyatri, bringing you the alarming new intelligence report. Iran's missile factories are running non-stop. That means 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no breaks, no shutdown, no hesitation. And the sources say that it's not just for defense. It is preparation. Preparation for a war that could change the entire Middle East map. Let me narrate what really is happening inside Iran right now. Deep inside Iran, far from the eyes of international inspectors, satellite images reveal a flurry of construction. Basically, a new uranium enrichment site which is reportedly being built. Codename Pickaxe Mountain. That's right. The secret facility, according to the intelligence leak, could be Iran's new nuclear stronghold. Basically, a site hidden underground beyond the reach of the United States and Israeli airstrikes. And while Iran publicly claims that its old nuclear stockpile was destroyed in recent raids, experts they are not buying it now. Well, they believe that Iran has quietly moved much of its uranium reserve to hidden sites, safely stored away from the foreign eyes. Now, let's talk about China's involvement here. You know what? This is more dangerous. According to a new intelligence report, China has sent between 10 to 12 shipments, totaling 2,000 tons of sodium perchlorate to Iran. Now, for most of the people, that might sound like harmless chemical, but in the world of missiles, sodium perchlorate is gold. It's used to make solid fuel, the kind that powers long-range ballistic missiles, missiles that can travel hundreds, even thousands of kilometers. And despite international pressure, China has refused to stop the supply. In fact, adding fuel to the fire. According to International Crisis Group, Iran's missile production line, they are running 24 hours a day. That's right, factories are churning out advanced missiles faster, deadlier and more precision than before. Experts say that the goal is very clear here. The goal is to be ready to launch up to 2,000 missiles, and that too simultaneously, targeting Israel, US bases and allied facilities across the entire region. And you know what, if that happens, it would be the largest missile attack in the modern history. Now, do you remember 2015 nuclear deal? It officially expired last month. That means no renewal, no new talks, no oversight, which means Iran is no longer bound of restrictions on its nuclear enrichment. And the intelligence estimators suggest that Tehran, well, they still holds enough enriched uranium to build at least 11 nuclear bombs. Yes, 11 nuclear bombs, and that's why regional officials say that President Trump's earlier claims that he completely destroyed Iran's nuclear program is now under serious question. In fact, in Tel Aviv, the mood is tensed. Israeli media outlets, they are openly warning the next war is only a matter of time. The Israeli Defense Forces, they are already revising their defense plans, expecting that the first 48 hours of any war could see thousands of missiles raining down from Iran and its allied groups, be it Hezbollah, be it Houthi, be it militia in Syria or Iraq. In fact, their Prime Minister, Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu, has reportedly ordered emergency security meeting to prepare for potential retaliation. And if Iran strikes first, Israel is expected to respond with full-scale force, including precision air raids and possibly even nuclear deterrence. Well, the situation has all started. The signs of a countdown. Iran is digging tunnels, enriching uranium, producing solid fuels, and testing missile engines. All at record pace, by the way. And in the meantime, Western intelligence agencies, they are on the edge. Satellite track new activities every single week. And regional analysts, they warn that if diplomacy does not resume soon, the first missile could fly before the year ends.